Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about this LED light. Now, it's small, it's got some weight to it, but it is powerful. So powerful on the brightness for a little light. It is got an aluminum casing and comes with a number of different things, from a couple of diffusers. Comes with also these color sheets, so if you wanted to have a colorful background, I'll show that to you as well. I'll demonstrate it to you in the dark light as well as right here with this lighting. Also using it with your phone, if you're going to use it with a GoPro, a drone, a mirrorless camera. I mean, so many great ways that you can use it, and I was just like pretty blown away how bright the light is. As far as the packaging, comes in this plain simple box, comes with a micro USB cable, and then additionally, most importantly, is this sheet comes with in two languages. Comes in the Chinese as well as English, and it is small print, so you might need glasses, as I do when I have to read it. So let me just share a few specs with this, and I will put it the information in the description. As far as the weight of the product, it weighs 80 grams. It has a 1600 milliamp battery. As far as the color temperature, 5600K, 3200K when using the 3200K diffuser, and 8 watts of power. As far as charging, it took give or take within a couple of hours to charge. And it doesn't say on here, so I don't know what the timing is as far as a full charge, because I didn't, I got to play with it for a little while to just get an idea for me to share with you, but I didn't do the full testing of from when the battery died to how long that would take to recharge. So just wanted to share that with you. And this was, by the way, sent to me to review, so I want to give you my honest opinion. I did not pay for it. It was sent to me, but as you'll get to see, I'm going to show you some examples so you really get to see how well this works. So battery, as far as working time, about 1 hour under 100% power, and about 12 hours under 25% power. And also, as far as the screw hole is a 1/4 inch screw hole. And I ended up picking up this hot shoe mount and also cold shoe mount. So I'll put a link where you can get this information as well, but you can see there is the 1/4 inch connection. And when I got this, I thought from my reviews, and if I were to use it in a low light on my face, I think it's a bit bright, as you'll see. I have another light that I use as well, but I think you could possibly get away with it. But certainly as using it for beaming on things in front of you in very low lights, this really rocks. So it's got this little plastic piece which protects the micro USB connection. Also makes it waterproof, and I will do a waterproof test as well. So if you're curious, can you use this while charging? Yes, you can. First of all, it does have a red light when it's charging. When it's done charging, it turns green. And when you press and hold the button down for 3 seconds, it turns it on, as you can see. So it does charge while you being able to use it. Now, it's got 4 different brightness levels plus an SOS flash. So let me just show you this on me with this LED lighting. So this is, and then I'll show you some examples in the dark, but this is the low, this is medium, this is the second level, the third brightness, and this is the full maximum. This is the fourth level, very high brightness, and then we've got SOS. Now, let me go ahead and turn it off. Now, it does have the frost filter, and it's got the orange filter. Let me just show you that now with the filter, with the clear just on there. So I'm going to turn it back on. So this is with it on when it's on the low setting. This is the second highest, or this is low, then this is medium, high, and then let me go back. So this is low, medium, high, super high, and then SOS. Now, let me show you with the orange. So now if I turn it back on, so this is low, medium, high, and then super high. So it might be a little bit easier to work with the lighting if you have to look at the camera when using it. And then, of course, let me show you with the flash. Now this is low. Now I'm going to put this diffuser on it as well. So now we've got this on low, medium, high, super high, and SOS. So that will give you an idea with using it with the diffusers and without. That will give you an idea. Now, let me go ahead and screw this on. And it does have, we're going to do a water test in a minute, but I wanted to show you as well. It does have these colored sheets. So you could see you got like a blue, you got a purple, you've got an orange, a peach. So if I wanted to use the blue, and again, you could use this to beam off the wall. You could use the frost diffuser, put this over this like this if you wanted to. And now, let me just turn it on. So you can, here I'll turn the light off in here. So you can see how you could make it into, you know, like a blue lighting. If you wanted to do, I could remove the blue, and then we could do, actually here's like a, yeah, let's do peach. We'll do peach next. And there you go. Gives you like that peach look to it. So you have that ability to have some fun with this. Here's one with purple. Beam that one on my face so you can see. And there is purple. So you can definitely have some fun with this. Now, let me go ahead and turn my light back on. Now, one of the nice things as well is if you want, you can use this with your phone. So while our phones have decent lighting, I've got the Google Pixel 2 XL. I have a square jellyfish mount. Works really well. It's called the, and I'll put a link where you get information. It's the Jelly Grip Spring Mount. It does have the quarter thread on top and then also on the bottom. So that allows me to use the cold shoe mount, and then you can, let me just put this on, and then you could lock that right in place. Let me get this all set up. And this really is nice to just, you know, it's nice and small. If you're going out and you need to film, you can take this with you on the go, and then you have the ability to use that with the light, and then you could video with you using it. Now, the other way you can use it as well is if you have a GoPro camera. So I got this nice setup. I've done a review. I'll put the link that I did to this video if you own a GoPro. And you can use this as a lighting option as well. And then you can, you know, the nice part is if you are wanted to have it go towards your face, or you can just have it go in the other direction. And then whatever's in front of you will take advantage of the lighting. Now, as you can see here, I went outside in the complete darkness and it worked very well. It really brightens up what's around you, so you can see the power of this LED light. So you could really take advantage in a very dark setting to a low lit setting as well. So many great options that you can use it in, but I was really impressed with it in the darkness. It really brightened things up. Now, as far as the water test, what I want to do is show you that it does work in the water. You want to make sure that back cap is, you know, fully locked in place. So we've got some water here, and I am going to drop it in the water, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So you can see it is on and working. It is working just fine through the water. So the waterproof test does work. Again, I haven't kept it in the water for an extensive period of time, but clearly you can see that it does work in the water. And as far as the waterproof level, it does mention that in the instruction sheet here, as I get my reading glasses because the font is so small. As far as it being waterproof, it's 20 meters, 65 feet. So there you go. So let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to click on the link where you could read other reviews, ask questions, order it. Appreciate you liking this video, subscribing to my channel. I'll be sure to subscribe back to yours as well. And I will also be sure to put the information on the hot shoe as well as the cold shoe, and also on the square jellyfish mount and any of the other accessories that I shared in the video. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.